And welcome back to Primetime News.
Special welcome to folks on onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, a TVJ News follow-up. Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton has broken his silence on the death of 4-year-old Alexandriana Jones at the Bustamante Hospital for Children.
He says the family will again have dialogue with the hospital's leadership about the case. The development comes as the authorities seek to provide more clarity and closure to the grieving family.
But even amid this update is a worrying admission that threats have been made against some health staff linked to the case.
The minister says he received a preliminary report that was initially submitted to the chief medical officer. He says the release contradicts a private autopsy done by the family. The family says the autopsy revealed that the child died on December 18, 2024, but she was pronounced dead by the hospital on December 31, 2024.
The technical report is not suggesting, as I understand it, that the child had passed for days before being informed. Instead, the complications around life support and mechanical ventilation, where life is being supported by the machine, would have led to a process of validation to determine finally and when the child would have been taken off because of a worsening situation.
Dr. Tufton says Alexandriana's first operation at Bustamante Hospital for Children was very complicated and
led to the child being placed post-surgery on a life support system, ventilation, mechanical ventilation, and that would have had its own processes around managing the child's brain functions, which ultimately and very unfortunately led to the demise of the child.
But the family's contention is, why was this never communicated?
If it was that bad, they should have said that to us from the get-go, instead of coming out giving us hope that, we must pray and we must stimulate her, talk to her, and familiarity. No need to do all of them stuff there.
Since the child died, her father, Alexandria Jones, says he has been awaiting feedback from the hospital.
Nobody at the hospital, when we go up there, them tell you, say, it then a ministry, and so we can't talk to none of them. Minister Tufton reached out to me on my Instagram, but to tell you the honest truth, I emotionally break to talk to any of them right now.
However, the minister says the family will be called in for further dialogue. He hopes this will bring clarity and allow them some level of closure. In the meantime, there has been reports of threats against the medical team who was involved in Alexandriana's treatment.
I will also try to reach out to give whatever support I can. In the meantime, though, I must condemn the incident of threats being issued, as I am being told, to the staff of the Bustamante Hospital.
He says this matter has been reported to the police. Deidre Thomas, TVJ News.